Hello, what is your name?
My name is Mariana Bacaro.
How old are you?
I'm 41 years of age.
What is your religion?
A Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have.
Okay, how many kids do you have?
I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I'm working here in 2 years, Finnish contract.
Okay, do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, we have from Oman before.
How many years?
Finnish contract 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
I'm living in Chun Mun.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
969 square meter.
Okay, how many family member there?
We have 4.
How many children?
1 children boy.
Okay, so how old?
3 years and a half.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at around 5 o'clock in the morning at the of myself. And then start to take care of the newborn babies till 2 years and a half.
Okay.
And then wash the face. After that, at around 7:30, I prepare the food for the babies. And then at around 8:30, I give the food and they tidy up. And then we put the plate to the babies. And then at around 10:30, at 11, I give to sleep and wake up at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon and then bring to the school. And then after from the school, I'm back at home and prepare all my works and continue. And then after that, I prepare myself to going down to take the babies and others, and then back at home and give the food to the babies.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
I start to cook the dinner at around 9 p.m. in the evening.
Okay, so what time you cook? What time they eat?
I start to eat at around 10 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
At around 12 midnight.
12 o'clock. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.